Daily forecast for Euro USD for Tuesday the 10th of March. This is the daily chart. We are coming off this demand zone. There's a lot of struggle happening here. Price is trying to go below this, but these long spikes indicate that there's a lot of resistance here. So on the daily market structure wise, we are bullish because we had a break in market structure here. So this is the strong daily low, and this is the weak swing high. Currently we are in the pullback phase. We've had a huge pullback. It's almost, this is the last kind of zone standing, and therefore we are seeing a lot of struggle here. We've also had some political situations developing, which has probably caused these massive selling candles here. But anyway, our job is not to kind of dwell too much onto that, the why, but just to react to how the market behaves. So this is where we are as far as the daily is concerned. This is the last zone standing, and we see that there's a lot of pressure, but there's also a lot of resistance being shown over here. So right now it seems to be in a zone which is very, very undecided as far as I'm concerned. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, we are bearish. We've now had a break in market structure over here. Let me just extend this to here. This is where we've these were just wick breaks, but this is a candle body close. So this is where we've had a break in market structure, and after the break in market structure we can expect a pullback to happen. So without really complicating anything, how do we know the pullback has started? Well, we need a bare minimum of a change of character, which has happened over here. And after the change of character, I would like to see the internal break of structure. So in case price takes out this high, I would then be interested in looking for longs. So the way it is at the moment, I don't know, maybe this candle's high and this candle's low is probably a zone. I'm just marking this as a 4-hour zone, and probably price kind of pulls down into this zone somewhere, and then it kind of goes up. Now once it comes down, and once we have this break in structure, I would then be more interested in looking for some kind of a zone over here to kind of take longs from. So that's as far as the 4-hour structure is concerned. Moving on to the M15. The M15 is, structurally, let me just extend this here. Okay. Is bearish, just like the 4-hour. However, we've had a huge kind of a reaction from here, and we also know that this is the daily zone, and we've had a lot of resistance here, and now we've had quite a massive reaction. This particular candle has really gone through everything. So this is still a strong swing high. We don't expect this to be broken. However, I'm also aware of the fact that we are coming off from a daily demand, and this is also one of the last zones in that leg. So this is probably where the price will kind of reverse from. That's just a premise. It doesn't really have to. So I will at the moment be very, very cautious about what's really going on. Like I said, on the 4-hour, this is an internal break of structure, and this, in case price breaks this, that also makes the M15 bullish. Why would the M15 turn bullish? To play the 4-hour pullback, and then we can start looking for longs. But as of now, I'm not going to really do anything. Let's just see where we are as far as the sessions are concerned. So we are currently in the Asian session. It's about 5:30 in the morning. There's still an hour and a half before London opens. And I'm thinking maybe, we just sweep the Asian lows and then continue this bullish trend that we're seeing over here. So probably, we come down here and then, continue further. So that's my take at the moment, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll just wait and watch how the situation develops, and may the markets be with you. Cheers.